Now I'm on my way to Beatty. More specifically, I'm going to go check out Rhyolite Ghost Town. All right, I'll see you there. Look, 95's closed with a detour. Anyway, I've pulled over legally in front of an old historic building. Well, that's redundant, old and historical, duh. Quite sad. This is the Sourdough Saloon and the Happy Burrow over there, chili and beer. Saloon is closed until further notice. The Happy Burrow is open. They have really good chili. If I hadn't got my chili fry fix yesterday, I would come here for lunch. May have to go across the street to film this entire building, but check out that sign where you can stay the night in this historic 100-year-old Nevada landmark. Moved here from Rhyolite in 1907 as a hotel brothel, a bath down the hall and modern clean beds, but there is no vacancy. I'm across the street, so that building to the right is that historic brothel hotel, and then there's the Sourdough Saloon with the Happy Burrow next to it. Don't even remember that. I don't know if that's an historic building that they are remodeling or if they're just building something, making it look old, that casino motel with that really cool tower. That's obviously not as old, but kind of cool looking little eatery. Here I passed an old one. I couldn't stop, but there was a Mel's Diner. Remember the old show Alice? That's what it reminded me of. It was closed. This is actually inside my car now. I just wanted to get another shot of that building under construction. Nobody on the road behind me, but we're really close to Stovepipe Wells in Death Valley, but only 114 miles from Lone Pine? I had no idea. There was a pull-off. I am just off Highway 374 at the Welcome to Beatty sign. It was so cool. Remember, Beatty, Nevada considers itself the gateway to Death Valley, and isn't it beautiful? The town of Beatty, aside from those historic buildings, I mean, it's not much. It had a little rundown, but it's a desert town, and that's what you expect in a harsh climate. But boy, the views. There's a lot of BLM land around here, and somewhere there's a pond, which I had considered camping at, but with the high wind advisory starting tomorrow, mid-morning, I don't know. We'll see. Sadly, you cannot camp with the ghosts. Before you get to the ghost town, there is this really cool free outdoor museum, which we will stop at. Yeah, I've been here before. In keeping with the theme of a ghost town, I mean, it is creepy, but cool art. This is the Goldwell Open Air Art Museum. An old gallows? Can't really tell, but those rocks are like a little maze. Couldn't read that from a distance. The Last Supper, 1984, by A. Sokolsky. That is too funny. I have a really bad habit of accidentally turning on slow-mo, but that sounded so creepy in tune with this place that I am leaving it there. I'm guessing the Carn Garden is just random people putting up rocks. It's gone. The last time I was here, a European artist had put up some figures, and he was doing exhibitions around the world in multiple locations on the art of decay, and I'm going to cut those pictures in. It was really cool, and I'm pretty sure it was on this mosaic bench. He had me sit on the bench and then drape some of the figures on me. They were little stuffed dolls, like burlap or something, and then one of which was like kind of fondling my boob. And he took lots of pictures of different people. Mine did not make it into his ultimate, I think, photo collection, but I did get an email a year or two ago about the end of the exhibition. Anyway, it was cool, and I will definitely put some photographs in. Well, it looks like I was wrong about the bench. Looks like he actually built his own bench and platform. It's all gone. Okay, I'll flip the camera around in a minute and show you some decay that's not part of the art, but it is still the art of decay in a way. Here are some decaying buildings in a trailer, which have been graffitied, and an old truck in a building. Was this pile of debris? I don't want to get hurt or anything. I know some people like to go in and explore these old abandoned buildings, but snakes, spiders, scorpions, falling wood and stuff, I'm staying out. And then finally this guy. Care to take a ride with me in my new truck? What'd you think of that cool open air museum? Honestly, I think it's better than this particular ghost town. Thanks for coming along with me on that tour of Beatty and the open air museum by the Rhyolite Ghost Town. I've decided to divide this into 2 videos, so stay tuned for my next video in which we'll check out Rhyolite. And if you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. If not, that's okay too. I'll see you in my next video.